In the Maestro Masterclass today, we discuss the importance of motivation and how setting goals can do wonders for you. Control makes you utilize your true potential, pushing you toward your goals. But sometimes we lose concentration, getting ourselves into a vicious cycle of despair. But having ambitions can help you find a path that guides you toward glory. It can provide you with avenues to explore and create new opportunities. Goals and motivation can turn you into someone with a vision for the future. With the surroundings changing rapidly, it's important to get hold of things and understand what the future holds for you. Understandably, keeping hold of so much that happens around us gets extremely challenging, but you can find the ultimate key that fuels us to live for our dreams. Introducing the Maestro Monologue. Discover your genius, defeat your intruder, design your destiny by Rob White is a book that will help you defeat the inner voices that chant no and create a new world of possibilities for a better tomorrow. It's a book that will encourage you to rediscover the magic that lies inside you. It will help you defeat the challenges and the hurdles that keep you from achieving greatness. So, what are you waiting for? Grab a copy and change your life for good.